Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth and you are welcome to my kitchen. Guys, there are different ways to cook pepper soup, but if you're looking for a pepper soup recipe that you can cook when you want to entertain your guests or for special occasions, pepper soup recipe that is very tasty and that you want to make over and over again, then you would like to watch this recipe. So let's get started. To start, I will be blending together some red bell pepper, ginger and garlic. Here I already have my goat meat cooking, and I will add part of the pepper mix to my goat meat and cook it till it is partly soft. Goat meat is a tough meat and it takes longer time to cook than the chicken. So we are going to add the chicken halfway. At this point, I am adding my chicken. You can use any kind of chicken that you want for this recipe. And I'll be adding the second part of the pepper mix and then my spices. Here I am seasoning with some bouillon, allspice, salt, and of course some pepper soup mix. Guys, this is the most important part of this cooking. This is going to make your pepper soup stand out from other pepper soups. I will be seasoning my pepper soup with Uziza seed and crayfish. Uziza seed and Uziza leaves are a very important part of this recipe. It gives it a very special, unique taste that you do not want to miss out on. Combine everything together and cook till the goat meat and the chicken are completely soft. Guys, this pepper soup recipe is already cooked, and the last thing I am going to do is to add my Uziza leaves and cook for 2 more minutes. Guys, take a look at the rich colors in this pepper soup. I have to confess that I cannot wait to try this pepper soup. I was so hungry as I was cooking this. I served mine together with some hard-boiled corn. I know that a lot of people like to have their pepper soup with some white rice or even eat it alone. Whatever is your preference, this is going to hit all the right taste buds. Thank you for watching this recipe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!